Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to my 6th vlog. Now before I start, let me first greet and welcome the new subscribers of our YouTube channel Plant Lovers Diary. Now aside from clicking the subscribe button, you may also click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you find our videos useful and informative, please don't forget to share it to others and comment below for your suggestions on how can I improve the video. Now going back to this vlog, I will be showing you the result of the experiment that we did on our 3rd vlog, which is how to use MSG as a fertilizer in plants. Just to recap what I did on the first part, here's a short clip of the part 1 of the video. So what I did is I mixed the MSG with water and I water the plants for 1 month once a week with MSG with water. You can rewatch the whole part 1 video by going to my channel and finding how to use MSG as a fertilizer part 1. This is the picture of the plant 1 month ago before I started using MSG. As you can see in the picture, there's not a lot of leaves and stems in the plants and it looks like it's dying. And after 1 month, here's the result of using MSG. Compared to the previous one, you can see that there's now many leaves and it looks healthier. And here's the closer look of the plant. There's new leaves growing here and stems. But it does not have any flowers yet. Maybe if I continue using MSG, it will soon produce flowers. So far, my conclusion for this experiment after 1 month is that MSG is effective for this plant. I will still continue using it, but only for flowering plants. It's up to you if you want to try this at your own plants, but what I'm showing you is just the result of what I did. That's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching the part 2 of the video. Please continue to support my channel Plant Lovers Diary by subscribing, liking, and sharing the videos and the channel. And you can also like our Facebook page, Plant Lovers Diary. And please comment your suggestion and feedback. And you can also click the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.